Welcome to your total body transformation, rebounder and resistance bands. It's non-stop. There's going to be no breaks for 10 minutes, but intervals where we work 1 minute on the rebounder of our cardio move and then 1 minute with a strength move. It's also no repeat, so you cannot get bored. This is beginner friendly as well, so if this seems a little overwhelming, take a deep breath. I'm here to walk you through the whole thing. My videos are very instructional and all about alignment, form. I'll tell you what you should be feeling in your body. There's not going to be music. It's not follow along where someone's just doing something and you're like, okay, I think I know what I'm doing. No. I will walk you and guide you through this whole thing. So one last thing before we get on the rebounder. If your resistance band is a lot heavier or shorter than mine, your option would be, instead of standing on the band with your feet, you can kneel on the band. Now, if you're not comfortable kneeling on the rebounder, you can kneel on the band to lock it in on the floor, and then we'll do whatever arm move I instruct you to do. If you are comfortable on the rebounder, which will add a little bit of instability, the band is down and you'll be kneeling on the band. So that's the modification, not because you're trying to make it easier necessarily, but maybe you just have a resistance band that's a lot shorter or tougher in resistance. So guys, we're gonna start with a warm up. So band's gonna go down next to you and we'll grab it when we start the actual workout. So let's do this. Smile, abs in, soft knees, let's rock. We're gonna take some big arm circles to the back. I want you to think really stretch through your elbows and reach through those fingertips. Give me one more to the back. And then we're gonna sweep it on the reverse. So we go back and then forward overhead. Lengthening through those arms, keeping that core nice and tight. Give me two more. And last one. Okay, so a little bit of balance. We'll take a knee hug. So soft in the supporting knee. Lift your left knee up, give it a squeeze. Soft in the left knee, lift that right knee up, give it a squeeze. So I know this is a little bit challenging on the rebounder, but yes, we're definitely gonna get some balance and core work here just by balancing, not even bouncing yet. Give me two more. Last one. And we're gonna take some side bends. So you're gonna reach it up and over to the right, up and over to the left. Opening up through the side body. Last two. Last one. And bring it through center. Okay, workout is coming on. So you're going to grab that band, hold it shoulder distance in front of you, open your chest up. We're nice and wide in those feet, and you're gonna give me a basic bounce. So we're simply jumping up and down. But if you're new to the rebounder, when you work out on the rebounder, I want you to think of kind of crouching down, like staying nice and low, but crouching with good posture. So my foot is flat, my knees are bent, my butt's behind my hips. Yes, I mean, that's how it works, but I mean, my hips are behind my heels. My chest is nice and open, and I'm using that resistance band to give myself nice posture here. Okay, we've got 10 seconds, so maybe we pick that pace up a little bit, and then we're gonna calm the heart rate down and move into our first banded move in 3, 2, 1. So just freeze the legs. We're gonna keep the chest open, pull the band to your chest, squeeze your upper back, and release. Squeeze through your shoulder blades, release. If it's too much tension, you go further apart with the hands. If you need more, you can walk it closer, or if you need a lot more, if it's way too light, double up the band. So that's pretty much going to be your modifications for all of these moves. So we're gonna turn it around so you can see what the shoulder blades look like. So it's not just your arms, it's your shoulder blades. I'm trying to squeeze right here in my upper back. Okay, give me two more, squeezing that upper back. Slowly bring it in. Okay, we're gonna add a little burn, bring it in. You're gonna just pulse it right here, keep it nice and close to the chest, and move from those shoulder blades for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I felt that. So hold the band right in front of that chest. We're gonna jump it open, close. So starting wide, soft knees, jump together, apart, together, apart. So a little jumping jack. I'm keeping my chest nice and open, and the resistance band is helping me. So the resistance band isn't sad like this, it's taut, and that's helping me keep that collarbone nice and wide. Okay, I'm just gonna show this from the side. I'm going wide and together. If you need a modification, you can tap it right, tap it left, if you don't feel like bouncing this move. If you need an advancement, it's really gonna be about pace and how hard you push down into that rebounder. That's gonna get the heart rate up. Go, we're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax the legs. Oh my gosh, are your shoulders burning? Mine are too. So we're holding that band up. Lift your chest up, pull the band apart, bring it to your chest, squeeze your upper back, reach the band up, release a little tension. Pull into the tension, elbows pull down, squeeze your upper back, reach the band up. This is called our lat pull down. So as you pull the band down, I want you to think of your shoulders dropping down your back. Then keep your shoulders down as you lift your arms up. Pull, squeeze. I'm gonna show you this from the back too, so you can just see what's happening here. So I'm trying to squeeze my back muscles together. If you want to advance this, you could pull the band behind your back. That's going to be a little bit more intense on your shoulders. It's also going to be good for your shoulder mobility the further we get that band back. But, you know, take it or leave it. Last two. Last one. Okay, the band's going to come forward. We're open in the chest. We're taking it to high knees. Now you can be right here without bouncing, or you can kind of hop in the center as we switch legs. Okay, so this one, I'm more upright in my spine, and I want you to think of your core a lot here. So you're pulling your belly button up. That's gonna help lift the knees. Okay, maybe we start to try to bring those knees to the band. How's everybody doing? We're good? Thumbs up? You got this. Keep it rocking. Okay, we got 15 seconds. And remember, I know it's a little bit of push on the cardio, but we do get a break. So we can catch our breath in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna flip the palms up, pull the elbows into the sides. Feet are hips distance and parallel. You're gonna pull the band apart, keeping your elbows close to your waist, and then bring your wrists back in line with your elbows. Squeeze your shoulder blades, release. So we're getting a lot of upper back work here. If you wanna add a little balance and leg work, we're gonna take it to a calf raise. So your heels are lifting up. I'm on the ball of my foot. It's hard. It's okay if you get a little tripped up. Just take a beat and you're gonna try it again. So exercise and trying things when you work out, you know, it's really okay to not be able to do it, to wiggle around, for you to hit failure. That's actually a good thing. You're challenging your body. So I don't want you to take, if that happens to you, negatively. Just go, oh, okay, that's kind of my sweet spot. I'm gonna keep working at it. I think that's a better way to look at things, right? We don't want to punish ourselves or talk negatively to ourselves. Last one. Okay, hold the band, palms down, shoulder distance at chest height. We have our feet hips distance, soft knees. We're gonna jump front and back. Abs are nice and tight. And we're breathing. Can you believe this is your last cardio move? You're probably like, hallelujah. Okay, I'm gonna show you from the side this move so you can see the just different angle of the body. Knees are softly bent. Booty's back. I'm trying to retract my shoulders. So I don't want to round the chest, right? Pop your chest through the front of the arms. Little pull on the band. Okay, let's finish this and take it to our last strength training move with the resistance band. We got 8, 7, give me a little pace. We got this for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, take a bow. We finished the cardio. Let's do our last strength move. So we are going to stand on the band. Hips distance or a little bit more narrow if the band is really heavy for you. Shoulders are down. We're going to take it to a lateral raise. So my arms are not all the way to a T, but just slightly in front of the shoulder. Then lower the arms, and we're going to take it to a squat. Now when you stand up, squeeze your butt. Lateral raise, so we're out to kind of more like a V than a T, and then squat. I'm very particular about form. Okay, I'm going to show you this from the side. So shoulders stay down as I lift the band. I'm going to lower the band, and I'm going to send my butt back, and then bend at the knees. Squeeze right there. You got it. Let's work those glutes. We're going to do 3 more total, and then you're out, and we have done it for the day. If you need to modify the arms, you can keep them lower, or you can bend the elbows. If you need to modify the squat, you don't have to go as deep. It's really okay if it's a very small squat, you just have to squeeze your butt. That's all mind, body. Okay, guys, let's do this last one together. Lateral raise, take it down nice and slow. Send those hips back, and squeeze it up. Woo! You guys crushed it. Yay. Okay, let's put the band away so we don't trip on it. Just give it a little toss. We're gonna step off the rebounder, and we've got 2 minutes of stretching and cool down right here. So taking a deep breath in, letting the heart rate recover. If you wanna grab some water, grab some water. And we are going to stretch, which this is gonna be a little bouncy too, so we're still working the core muscles. So we're facing the rebounder. I'm going to have my left foot on my floor and the right heel on the rebounder. Put a little bend in your knees and stick your booty out behind you, opening up through that lower back here. Oh, that's tight. Okay, so we're gonna do that to the other side. So plant the right foot, toes forward. Left heel comes on, little bend in the standing knee, so careful of locking it out, and stick your tush back behind you. Open your chest up. Hamstring, back of the leg, right? Good, release that. We're gonna step back on the rebounder if you'd like, or you can stay on the floor. Interlace your fingers, tuck your hips, round your back. We did a lot of back and back of the shoulders in this class, so that might feel kind of stiff. You're just gonna give me a little swing with that upper body in this rounded position, loosening up between the shoulder blades. Good, and then coming through center, release the arms, standing nice and tall. Super proud of you. You should be super proud of yourself. I hope you enjoyed this resistance band and rebounders routine. Full body, strength, cardio, all packed into one. So if you did enjoy this, I would love to hear, well, hopefully you enjoyed it, but I'd love to hear you in the comments regardless. And spare me if you didn't love it. And my name's Lindsay. This is Pilates On Demand. Please smash that subscribe button below. It means the world to me, and it's completely free. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.